I know I've been struggling to be consistent on here, so I just wanted to hop on and talk a little bit about procrastination today because that is a really big problem with ADHDers. It is often a dopamine seeking behavior, but let's talk. Hi, I'm Coach LA. I help men and women with ADHD and chronic illness find success without sacrificing their health. And today we're talking about procrastination. So, why is procrastination a dopamine seeking behavior in the first place? Well, first of all, we are low in dopamine typically as ADHDers, and so that affects our reward processing center, and it just makes it and our motivation as well, and it makes it harder. The muscle for that is just not as strong, and so that throws things off a little bit. So we tend to procrastinate things that are less interesting because we're interest-based nervous systems. We do the interesting thing first. There is a term called procrastivity where we're doing things and we're being productive, but they're not the thing we should be doing, and I get that a lot with my clients. So what is happening when we procrastinate is we're waiting until the very last minute to do something, and then adrenaline kicks in, and that produces dopamine, which then helps our reward and motivation processing center. So we're relying on our nervous system essentially to get things done, which is not healthy at all. There's a lot of stuff being put out there right now about the nervous system and activating it. And this is where burnout comes from, by activating that nervous system constantly. And you're going to end up crashing by doing that. So what can you do about it, and where can you find hope? Break tasks down. Implement a Swiss cheese protocol where you just do all of the easy parts first, and you create these holes in your project, and you do the easy things and that kind of stuff. Set a 5-minute timer. See how much you can get done in 5 minutes. Those are all the things that I teach my clients to do with their procrastination. But essentially, we're learning to not rely on our nervous system to get things done. So what I like to do also is teach my clients how to take more breaks throughout their day and do things that get them dopamine while they're doing that, so that their levels may be more sustained, or their motivation and reward processing might be better. And so that's what my favorite solution is. If you found this content helpful, like and follow my page for more.